So it's the second day of the budget session in Parliament, and already we've seen ruckus and a showdown in the upper house in Rajya Sabha. Opposition has staged a walkout from the Rajya Sabha after Vice President, the Chairman of the House, Venkaiah Naidu, refused the opposition's demand to hold a discussion over the farmers' agitation and the farm laws today. Naidu said that as tradition, first the discussion on the President's address takes place in the Lok Sabha and then the Rajya Sabha. So the upper house will hold the discussion tomorrow. That was something that was unacceptable for the opposition. Parties like the Congress, the BSP, you had the RJD, the TMC, all of them had given a notice in the Rajya Sabha seeking suspension of business to discuss the farmers' agitation. After the opposition walkout, Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till 10:30 a.m. So it will be reconvening in about 30 minutes from now. Congress MPs, meanwhile, will be meeting at 3 p.m. To discuss the strategy for the Lok Sabha session as well. The government had reiterated on Monday that it is willing to talk to the farmers and end this impasse. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman saying that the government is open to discussing any issue related to the farmers' bill.
In June, we had a so-called session on these bills. That was guillotine. You know what happened. There was not 1 millimeter of discussion. After June, this is the first time in 8 months that with thousands massed at Delhi's borders in such biting cold and with such adversity, first opportunity to discuss issues in the temple of democracy arises, and you can't prioritize it.
So Singhvi, they're making it very clear that the opposition wants a debate to be held immediately on the farmers' protest. But listen into the reactions that came in yesterday on a day when the budget was tabled, what the government and the opposition said.
देश में एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर को मजबूती देने के लिए, किसानों की आय बढ़ाने के लिए इस बजट में बहुत जोर दिया गया है, कई प्रावधान किए गए हैं। एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में किसानों को और आसानी से और ज्यादा ऋण मिल सकेगा। देश की मंडियों को यानी एपीएमसी को और मजबूत करने के लिए, सशक्त करने के लिए एग्रीकल्चर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फंड से मदद का प्रावधान किया गया है।
चर्चा ही रास्ता है। चर्चा करने के लिए सरकार ओपन है और कल परसों पार्लियामेंट के शुरुआत से पहले प्रधानमंत्री जी वो जो ऑफर है उसको टेबल पर अभी भी है करके माना। इसीलिए मैं मानती हूँ किसान जिनको भी मन में कुछ प्रश्न है, संकोच है और डाउट्स है, वो जरूर बात करने के लिए आगे आए, सरकार से बात करें।
इस बिल से न तो एपीएमसी प्रभावित होती है, ना ही एमएसपी को कोई खतरा है। एपीएमसी के लिए किसी भी प्रकार की किसी को चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। एपीएमसी का भी विकल्प है।
The farm sector has been shortchanged. The budget allocation for agriculture and allied activities has been reduced. I repeat, reduced. I repeat, reduced. From 1,54,775 crore in the BE of the current year to rupees 1,48,301 crore in the BE of the next year. Of total expenditure, the proportion has been reduced. I repeat, reduced from 5.1% to 4.3%.
So quite a bit of ruckus witnessed in the Rajya Sabha earlier. Let's listen into exactly what Chairman and Vice President Venkaiah Naidu had said, rejecting the opposition's demand for a debate today.
In fact, I wanted the discussion to start today, but I was told and it was brought to my notice the convention that the discussion first starts in Lok Sabha and then the Rajya Sabha takes up. This has been the convention so far. Keeping that in mind, we have agreed to have the discussion on President's address tomorrow. Even the Business Advisory Committee also has been informed. So as we are going to discuss the President's address tomorrow as the first item, members can avail this opportunity and then participate and express their viewpoints. That's why I am not able to accept the notice given to suspend the business of the House.
And let me take this across now to Maushami Singh to understand really what the opposition strategy is here. Maushami, this was expected. This is the norm that is followed, that the president's address is first discussed in the Lok Sabha and then in the Rajya Sabha. So surprising really that the opposition has decided to stage a walkout in such a circumstance.
Clearly, Akshita, the opposition is indulging in pressure tactics, and this will be the first time when the parliament would be convening after the farm laws were passed, and this agitation on ground zero has taken place, and thereby the opposition parties like the TMC, the DMK, the left and the Congress party, four parties gave an adjournment notice in the upper house, and they are saying that we cannot talk about any other business in the Rajya Sabha if the farmers are sitting there and agitating. Those people who feed us, they are in agony, and that's why we demand that immediate discussion should take place. Though the Rajya Sabha chairman had been clarifying that this message is going down that no discussion ever took place on the farm laws in the parliament. Let me put it on record that 4 hours of discussion did take place in the upper house as far as the farm bills were concerned before the passage. So really a tit for tat there going on with the Parliamentary Affairs Minister saying that the zero hour, the question hour was the demand of the opposition. This is the first time after the entire COVID pandemic that the zero hour and the question hour on the demand of the opposition is taking place. So they should respect that. So clearly, pressure tactics going on from the opposition side while the government is not ready to budge.
It will be interesting to see what happens in the Lok Sabha, because that's where today there will be a discussion on the president's address, which no doubt the opposition will raise the issue of the farmers' protest. Maushami, thank you very much for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.